This new Canva AI update is going to be a game changing for you as a designer or a content writer. Canva has rapidly been introducing all different types of AI, image AI, writing AI into their platform, and this has been amazing. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use this AI to better your designs. Canva ma pa mi na. Canva ma pa mi na. Wait, it doesn't stop there. I would also be showing you guys an amazing AI platform that would change the game for you. Let's just kick into the video. Right now, guys, I'll be showing you how to use the amazing Canva AI text to image, and this is going to blow your mind. So once you log into your Canva account, you get a screen like this, and in my previous videos I've shown you guys how to get Canva Pro for life. So at the top right of this screen, you'll be seeing the Canva Pro package pop up here in case you wish to get the Canva Pro account. So, and you'll be getting amazing discounts. Imagine Canva would be charging you about 25,000 naira to get the Canva Pro account for a month. And this platform that you will be seeing in the video above is going to give you the same package Canva is going to give you at the same price Canva is going to give you, but in this case, instead of you getting it or using it for a month, you'll be using it for a lifetime. So that is the difference. That is basically the difference between you getting the pro version of Canva from Canva themselves and getting it from these websites. And basically it is a team account. It's not as if the platform is trying to resell Canva's package. What they are trying to do is they've already gotten a team account. Now what they are doing is they are trying to get more students to join the account, so they'll be charging you just token to join the account. That's basically it about that platform. Now let's just move on with the video. What you need to do now is to create a design. Come here to create a design. Once you click on create a design, it might be an Instagram image, Instagram story, any kind of image you wish to create. Just click anyone here and wait for the screen to load. So once you get this screen, just scroll down here and click on apps. Then right here at the top, you would see text to image. Now click on that. Here on this text to image, you can see describe the image you want to see. Include object, color, location, surrounding, people. And right here you would see examples of what you can input, like a panda riding a bike through a city with depth of field. So you can make use of something like that. You just need to make sure that in that text that you're using, it needs to have a description of the object, the color, location, surrounding, and people. So you can make use of a word like this: giraffe with a diamond and gold armor, suffering above a metallic shark, ultra realistic. So I'm trying to inform the AI that this thing must look so real. Now below here you can see choose your style. So do you want it to be in a concept art? You want it to be printed? You want it to be a photo? Or probably you want it to be a drawing, 3D, any design you want it. So you can let's first make use of 3D. Let's see what is going to come, what Canva AI is going to come up with. You can see right here, this AI has come up with a very nice design. So you can go on here and click on the design or drag it out. You can see the designs this image, this AI came up with. You can click on next, add new page, and let's drag this here. So you can see I really like these two last one it came up with. I like the first one too. This one at the top here. Let's see what the next one is. This first one, let's see what it is. So you can see it's on a more broader scale here. So you can see, so I still prefer the third one and the fourth one. So let's input another prompt. So let's click on start again, then let's input something here. So we'll be making use of beautiful woman avatar inspired beautiful face. You understand? I'm trying to give it a detailed, I want it to be an avatar with a beautiful face, and it should be a lady. So photorealistic, highly detailed forest background. So I'm giving it a forest background, and you don't really need to give it this highly detailed. I just want it to bring out the best it can deliver. So you could go to photos. Let's make use of photos this time around. And let's generate. Let's see what this amazing AI is going to come up with. Wow, this is even more beautiful than the giraffe one we searched for. So can you imagine using this? Probably you are looking for inspiration of a design to create. Look at this beautiful heart this AI has come up with. This is very, very brilliant. This is very brilliant and very beautiful. This AI would make the work more easier for you. Can you see how beautiful this is? This is amazing. This is amazing. See how beautiful this came out to be. So you can make use of this kind of prompts and just put in details, just like it's written in the description. Make sure you are using including the objects or the people, and you are also making use of the word color kind of word, or to just give it a color detailed, and give it a location detail, give it a surrounding detail. Just give it something to let understand how or what should come out, like the kind of the old design it should come up with. So we've made use of the concept they've given us. We've included an object, color, location, the surrounding, what should be in the surrounding, and the people what type of people should be around that object. So let's make use of photos and let's generate and see what this AI is going to come up with. See the amazing art this AI came up with. This is amazing. It has given us nearly an image describing what we have input. And right here, this is an image right here that it's really looking nice, and people can make use of this. So trust me, this AI is really addictive. So just keep trying your own prompt to get the best out of it, and trust me, you are going to enjoy using this AI. This AI is going to save a lot of lives, because there are so many people that usually find it stressful going to another platform to get image and all like that. So this is like a very sleek way for you to quickly get that done. Now, I mentioned another platform that you can use for your AI designs, and this platform is also amazing. The platform name is called Midjourney. You might have heard of it or watched a video about it, but I want to show you the difference between what we've input here and what we'll be inputting in Midjourney, and see the difference, compare it to each other, and see maybe you would prefer Canva AI to Midjourney AI. So let's just go on Google, search for Midjourney, or go to midjourney.com and click on join, then sign in with your Discord account. So once you've logged into your Midjourney account using your Discord, just scroll down here, click on newbies, or choose any newbie, and click on the below board down here to chat. Then just input /IMA, just like trying to type in image. So, and you get this prompt here, this command match here. So what you just want to do is to copy and paste whatever prompt you want to make use of there. So let's copy and paste something here. So this is the avatar one we made use of. So let's compare and see what Midjourney is going to give to us. and compare it with what Canva is going to or has given to us. So this is the design Midjourney came up with. The AI came up with this, and it is fantastic. This is amazing. You're going to love this. You can make use of this type of image. Like, this is brilliant. It came out in detailed, and it came out with a very detailed image and of good quality. So you can make use of Midjourney to do your text to image alternative to the Canva AI text to image. And this is what the AI also came up with when I searched for the beautiful avatar inspired blah blah blah. So this is what it came up with, and this is also brilliant, and it's also a very good detailed information coming out here. But I would say I prefer the Canva own to that, because Canva is actually giving me avatar inspiration here compared to what Midjourney has given me here. So let me know which one you would prefer to be using. Will you be using the Canva AI text to image, or will you be making use of Midjourney? So let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. See you when I see you. Bye for now.